Hello, my name is Pete Naylor. I'm the Medical Director for Sonaids Limited, who make the Snorgo product to help cure your snoring. I'd like today to show you these Snorgo in action and show you how to undertake the exercise with Snorgo directly on video. Always a little hard to describe within the leaflet, so I just wanted to use video to see if we can demonstrate that. When you receive your Snorgo, it'll come like this in its box, and if we take that out, you will see on the Snorgo you have this section, the handle section, and then you have the mouthpiece section itself. It has a top and a bottom, if you like. The top's just indicated by that little indent there, and that one is going to sit within the mouth with that upright. When I say in the mouth, it goes in the pre-dental area. It goes in front of your teeth, but behind your lips. It goes into this bit, okay? So what we'll do is it goes in like that. So I'll demonstrate that in a minute when I've just talked you through the exercises. Also, with your Snorgo product, you will get the leaflet, and on the section of the leaflet there, you will see, hopefully, there's a how to use section which talks you through the exercise that I'm going to demonstrate now. So it's really simple. It's really simple exercise. All you do is you take the Snorgo itself by the handle and you hold it like that. This is best done in the seated position. If you can't sustain a seated position, it can still be used, but we'd recommend that you try an upright seated position. What you want to do is keep a good posture and look directly in front of you. You will put the Snorgo in this pre-dental area that I talked about with this little indent in the upright position, and then you will close your lips around and put the lips just carefully on the rest plate. Now you don't need to grip too hard with that, just purse the lips together gently. And what you'll then do is you will pull the Snorgo away from your mouth and you'll use your lips in order to hold that back. Now don't pull too hard, it's pull enough so that you're feeling resistance, and it's not uncomfortable, but you're just feeling that you're having to resist it, and that's perfect. And what we'll be doing then is holding that for 10 seconds. So if I could just demonstrate that one for you. Okay, and that's the exercise, that's it, that's all you have to do. And what we'd recommend is that you do that exercise 3 times in one sitting, and then do 3 sittings a day. So you'll have done that exercise I've just demonstrated 9 times each day. As you can see, each one only takes 10 seconds, so it's about 30 seconds-ish, a short gap in between. But you're literally only spending a couple of minutes sitting down with this each time. And then this can just be washed, and then it just clips back into its box, okay? We'd really encourage you to keep going with this, okay? We do get comments, and we can show these with people who say, great, after a few days, I've noticed a big difference, but we'd really encourage you to keep going with it. We're finding about the time of about 6 weeks is what we'd recommend. If you're not seeing any difference at about 6 weeks, that's when we'd question whether Snorgo is going to work for you. Obviously, please get in touch if that's the case. We're not finding many of those with people who can manage to maintain the 3 exercises a day. We're finding significant improvements. So best of luck with your Snorgo. If you have any queries, you can get in touch with us through the website at www.snorgo.com. Best of luck.